Hello, little explorers. Have you ever wondered why birds have so many different types of beaks? Well, that is because each beak is like a special tool that helps a bird eat its favorite food. Let us take a fun journey and discover the different kinds of bird beaks and how they help birds survive. Look at these little birds. Pigeons and sparrows have strong, short beaks, perfect for crushing and cracking seeds. Their beaks work just like nutcrackers, helping them break open hard shells to get to the tasty food inside. Here are some birds with crushing beaks: pigeons, sparrows, finches. Wow! Look at this mighty eagle. It has a sharp, curved beak that helps it tear meat from its prey. This powerful beak is perfect for birds of prey like hawks, owls, and vultures. Splash! Did you see that? The kingfisher just caught a fish with its long, sharp beak. Birds like kingfishers and herons have piercing beaks, which act like sharp spears to grab slippery fish from the water. Here are some birds with piercing beaks: kingfishers, herons, egrets. Meet the flamingo. It has a flat, wide beak that helps it filter tiny food like shrimp and algae from the water. Ducks and swans also have this kind of beak, making it easy for them to sip up food while swimming. Here are some birds with sifting beaks: flamingos, ducks, swans. Knock knock, who's there? A woodpecker. This little bird has a sharp, chisel-beaked beak that it uses to drill holes in trees. That is how woodpeckers find insects hiding inside the bark. Cool, right? Look at this tiny hummingbird. Its long, thin beak is like a straw, helping it sip sweet nectar from flowers. Yum! Here are some birds with long, thin beaks: hummingbirds, sunbirds. Look at the swallows and swifts. They have sticky beaks. They can catch tiny insects in the air using their sticky tongues and beaks. Here are some birds with sticky beaks: hummingbirds, swallows, swifts. Wow! Bird beaks are like nature's super tools, each designed for a special job. So next time you see a bird, take a close look at its beak. It can tell you a lot about what it eats. Thanks for exploring with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye.